following the intrusion by leaders of the Nyotrap National Youth Movement HNYM into the office of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC over the council's inaction on implementing Section 3.1 of the Land Transfer Act 1972, the executive member of the KHDC for Land, Taibor Pathau, had invited the organization's leaders for a discussion on the matter. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the executive member, Marshal Nonglait stated that the EM had assured them of his commitment to address the issue. He also mentioned that the council has established a special land committee to examine the issue thoroughly.
Te halor ka tu ka jing wantur jong kasang hang lia te nak liang jong u uyam jong kalan u ba dei ba te buar patau nang ta bat u deputy CM ba PNCM te kila khot ingi bagini kran sapua bat ha ba ya kran bat ki kila ong ba ngi ai ku blai ya kasang HNY amro ba kala wan ra ya kani ka issue namar ki ong ba maki kim tip maki ki song hang ni kim dan ka jing tip bari kan ni te nak liang jong ki kila ai assuran ya kasang ro ba bagi ang bangibu ya kani ka news ngi lani kata namar hadu mentak lalong spouse ngi ki ang ba kadang long mar ki habanya kata diu persas tiki ang ba kalalong stat plat hanrei nakaliang jong district council ki ang ba kila ada biak khamat kani kila don yang tak special land committee tikin khat hajar ya orang ba snong jong khatika madan riting nan takin khat hajar ya UCM jong district council habanya UCM hima meliam bakin ya keran habaya dei bat kani kapang te nakaliang jong ba tibaru ang ba hapo jong uni ubnai kini ibarat in tinlong ki bayat inti ya lada kadan kanu ro kin khat lang ingi bat ya kasang dungi bakin ya keran man pensai lada ka district council kam hadu kata kinut ban bu ka asuran ba lada ka district council ka kam palia ya bidai bakni te shua ban kot uni ubnai kin sapun i ingi ba hadu kanu kani ka proses kala ya ya bangi ya keran mentangi ong ba nakaliang kasang dungi wan hingi kwa hiba ka district council kandan ya kanu ka kompeti ka belong specialist ban pek ya ka lan man pe ya ka khandau ka siap jong man riu dia nakaliang jong ki ang hawat ngila dab dan ya kata nang taki ang ba kinsa sna su ya sibun teliki an ki ban penklan dia ka bakut baga bakadu la ong ba ka district council dia kan ya try ringkat bakaseng ha ka ban ya pet ya kmi ya ka jing ka jing san lani ke kinu ki benta ki ba kata ya ka khandau ka siap jong ban riu dia nakaliang ka sanghi sa sisian ro ong balada ka district council nani kani ka lauda UM kalan nani UCM nani u deputy CM kim shim khia habe dei bani kani kadang long tanga jing sedang jong sang dia lada ka pai kata ka puar ba ngimban si bangin hakwan da kawai galinti.
The executive member for land of the KHDC, Taibor Pathau, explained that the matter cannot be dealt with hastily as land sales have been going on since 1994. He indicated that the Special Land Committee will review the situation and noted that the headman and the CM of Malim will be summoned this week for further discussions.
Ya takatan ke tingtit caka jengwe manipuri po malan ting. Tena kalian jengi masnyo itu ka citi jengki tinggal form ni special land committee kapan study ya kan yes. Mar kuma pitip hi kan ka caka ka ba layo ka tingtho nak senang gede nadu 1994 mo. De ladangi keren ni ka land transfer act kam ka subject to me de subject state tama nak kalian jengi sa simkia kan ni bangan pen bob lang state to pen pe kana mangina ban ya taklenti ka ba long legally ka ban biang kana ba king lat ka tinge de nagleng jungi ila form special committee kani mentak tio banwan ka session bahkan sa study ini nama kala inbound na 1994 class 2 ibun ki bang yable ya ka ban nagleng jungi sim kia ka ngin persang man pendap kam ko tamba ngin persang ba bahkan committee kan khot marang ni kala inbound ban khot biang ki sinong ini keren habedi begini kecing ai kot caka snam natangi hap khot ya usim ka himamalim makani ka wanlang ka bentate ni kwa ban pendap kam kulai kene naglang jungi nyele ka pala ban pendap kam kulai kanang ba ni yo ban berkat awe dia kene kam jong ka jingyo cecaka jong Manipuri pi nomor nadu 1994 mo ya kata te ngala ban ong bahaka term jong tengam tip sya tenre yo kaladon jitip sya ngam tip tenre ngi sotnat bakini ki sanggiwan yathu engi awe dia kene te naglang jungi ngin sim kya kene bangin seped nomor pistu haka nomor kalan transfer akte kamde state kamde ka this council subject and state subject di bidang ihi kalan ak jungir kadang 2021 ya ka bangi dang ngele ban ya penbet bha kini kanam baka jing terekam ka lan ak apoka sexual area kan long ka bibit pabiang kanam ngila ban prevent ko mikini kan ban yada ya jing wan tit ka ji bomde kasih ka celak jungi